Kava is a root extract traditionally used for its calming and relaxation effects. In recent years, it's gained popularity as an alcohol alternative thanks to its active compounds called kava-lactones, which are believed to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety without causing significant intoxication or cognitive impairment. Unlike alcohol, kava is thought to be less habit-forming and is associated with fewer negative behaviors like aggression or impaired judgment. It's also perceived as less harmful to physical health, especially the liver. But how much of this is supported by research? Is kava really as effective and safe as it's made out to be? Most clinical studies agree that specialized kava extracts, particularly one called WS1490, a standardized form containing 70% kava-lactones, can help reduce symptoms of everyday anxiety. Some evidence even suggests it may ease the anxiety experienced by individuals coming off anti-anxiety medications like benzodiazepines. There's also weaker research suggesting that kava may slightly improve sleep disturbances related to insomnia. However, these benefits typically require doses of over 200 milligrams of kava-lactones per day, taken consistently for 5 to 8 weeks. Lower doses or shorter durations generally don't produce meaningful effects on anxiety. That said, kava's effects have limitations. For individuals with generalized anxiety disorder, a more severe, persistent form of anxiety, studies show that kava is no more effective than a placebo. So while kava can promote relaxation and reduce anxiety for healthy adults, it's not a solution for psychiatric conditions involving anxiety. When it comes to safety, kava is generally considered safer than alcohol, but it's not entirely risk-free. Kava has been linked to cases of liver damage, leading to its temporary ban in European countries and Canada in 2002. In the US, the FDA issued a warning about its potential side effects, but ultimately did not remove it from the market. However, since then, a closer look at the safety evidence has led many countries to lift their bans and allow the sale of kava again. So while over 100 cases of liver toxicity have been associated with kava, some resulting in liver transplants or even death, these incidents are not very common and often tied to large doses of raw kava or its use alongside alcohol. For healthy individuals consuming standardized extracts at moderate doses, kava is unlikely to cause liver harm. If you're considering kava as an alcohol alternative, it's a viable option for regular anxiety relief. It won't cause intoxication like alcohol and is easier on the liver when used responsibly. If you want the best results and safety, stick to extracts standardized to kava-lactones rather than the generic kava extracts or tinctures or even traditional kava drinks. This ensures a more consistent and effective dose, allowing you to enjoy its calming effects with minimal risks to the liver. Hi, I'm Dr. Brian Yeung. Do you use kava, and what are your experiences? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and leave me a like. Hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date, and share this video with someone you know who use the info.